Observe the mind. Take a slow breath in and let it fall away. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to control anything. Simply watch. Watching, thoughts arise and fade. Notice the thoughts moving through your awareness. Some arrive loudly, demanding attention. Others drift in like whispers. Memories, plans, worries, fragments of conversations, all appearing on their own. Let them come. Let them go. You are not here to fight them. You are here to see them clearly. Thoughts are like waves on the surface of the ocean, always moving, always changing. But you are the ocean beneath. Observing emotions without being pulled in. Now notice the emotions present. Maybe there's calm. Maybe there's tension. Maybe there's something you can't quite name. Whatever is here, let it be here. You don't need to push it away. You don't need to hold it close. Just observe. When you watch an emotion without reacting, you discover something important. The emotion is not you. It rises, it peaks, it fades. Just like everything else. As you continue observing, you may notice patterns. The mind rehearses old stories. It predicts the future. It argues with itself. It tries to protect you, even when there's nothing to fear. Just watch these patterns with gentle curiosity. Noticing is enough. Awareness itself begins to soften the mind's habits. Now shift your attention slightly. Instead of watching the thoughts, notice the one who is watching. The quiet presence behind everything. The awareness that doesn't change even when thoughts and emotions do. This is the still point. The clear sky behind the clouds. The space in which everything appears and disappears. Rest there for a moment. Not doing, just being. As you return to the world, remember this simple truth. You are not the storm of your thoughts. You are the sky that holds them. Whenever life feels heavy, whenever the mind feels loud, come back to this practice. Observe, witness. Let the mind settle on its own. One breath, one moment, one clear step into awareness.